Oh, I've seen those style before. I'm trying to think on what though.
It's crazy. That's cool.
Our kids love this car.
Really?
We took it around to some hot springs.
It's so big.
Yeah, like it has just like a TV in there with like a open Gangnam style.
The parking antenna?
Yeah.
The babies.
The jack's moving forward.
See this, guys? I brought my Mexican to do all the work on the car for me.
There we go.
All I had to do is try to pull the pressure off.
Here we go. I'm gonna use this as a jack stand.
Oh, I closed the trunk. So then you're gonna pull it right in the camera. Yeah, they have a couple of scuffs. They're very cheap.
It is not new?
No.
Oh.
I bought them at Up Garage.
Ah, okay, that's
Up Garage has all used, yeah. But we have to make sure that this is going to clear with the tire, so we're going to try to put the jump box, start it and turn it to make sure that it'll clear whatever tire I put here, because if I need to put skinnier tire, the shorter and skinnier.
Okay.
Or else I'll have to buy a spacer, like 1 inch, 25 millimeter spacer to pull it out.
Oh, I see.
This is 18 inches around and then 8 inches wide.
18 inch wide, 8 inch.
But I think it'll look pretty good. Then on this, I don't know. These, we'll have to just try and test fit this. 18 by, let's say 8.5.
Probably 22.
What do you guys think? Think it's gonna rub or
What
not
is this
rub?
paint?
Those two.
Is this key still on? I think this thing died earlier. I think the alternator might be bad.
It'll be easier to get it here.
Yeah, because I think it shut off after they pulled the jump box. Jose, this thing needs oil.
It's really low.
It needs oil. It's barely on the dipstick.
It's gonna take. I don't know why he's putting it on the rims.
It's a little bit too big. Might have to change the tires and put.
Looks good though. I like that.
The color's good.
The color on the blue.
Is that all the way off?
Yeah, now we're fully on.
So you still have about
It might settle a little bit,
½ inch. Yeah, it's gonna settle a little bit.
but it works. And if you don't want, so if you hit a bump, right,
Yeah.
you might hit on the on the fender. But if you stretch your tires, you'll be good.
Blitz Blow Off Valve.
Yeah, we haven't seen the hood in this one, huh?
Think it'll be a little rub on the ramp, do you think?
Oh, you can try. We'll just watch it. Oh, that motor moves a lot. Yeah, it's touching the fender. No, hold on. It's gonna rip the bumper off. So yeah, these won't work. But we need to jack it up before we turn the tire back.
Alrighty.
What happened?
See, they need Mexicans even in Japan.
We did it, raza. Aquí estamos bien.
What's that?
Like race.
We did it my Mexican race.
Yeah. There you go.
Yeah, nice.
Okay, yeah, we'll have to pull them off.
Spacers.
Ooh. Check if there's spacers on the rear. There's probably not spacers on the rear.
Same wheel size.
What are these offset though?
Oh, look how stretched these are. These are
Wait, these are adapters. These are 5x100s.
Oh, they are adapters.
Those are adapter. Yeah, I'm not for that.
215s. This is what you gotta run.
Yeah. Well, what's the width on this wheel?
I don't know idea, but it's a
Because mine are
215/40.
Yeah, I need 215/40. 18s.
Yeah.
Oh, look at those spacers too. Everybody's running spacers around
Fucking
here.
liars.
Yeah, this thing's pretty rough.
Yeah. That might be
It
fun.
still looks good though.
It might be fun though.
Look at the tape.
Yeah.
Those are my favorites right there. You sure don't want to just trade this one for that one?
Yeah, this one.
I'll trade you those 2 cars for this 1 car. How's that sound? I don't want to start this one because it needs oil. It's low, very low. So I just want to roll down the windows because it's kind of muggy in there, almost like it's got water getting into it or something. Okay, yeah, I'm just going to get in there and start cleaning and stuff.
Okay.
get a 10.
It's not a GTR.
Not if what? You can't afford a GTR.
No, you can't either. We're gonna put a new battery in my R34 because yeah, he's doing it. This guy, Jose. We might install a blow-off valve as well. Not sure yet. We also need to get oil, new tires, mount on the new wheels, quite a few different little things. I'm trying to clean the interior. It was a smoker's car, so it's pretty gross.
Biggest battery I've ever seen.
They're so cute, huh?
This one's smaller. Taller.
Maybe a
but
little
it's
bit
fine.
taller and skinnier, but that's okay.
That's fine, we'll see.
Does it show cranking amps and stuff on these things?
Nope. I mean, maybe, but I can't read it.
You can't read Japanese.
Uh,
Panasonic battery. Is this taller?
yeah.
I might have to replace a bunch of these vacuum lines and stuff. Like, this thing is so bad. There's another one back there that's like even more important, I think. Oh, it's the blow-off valve. The blow-off valve hose is really bad. We need to get a new one. This is the factory map sensor, huh? Hitachi boost sensor. So cool that we're working on my cars. Jose's working on my cars in Japan.
My car is at the port. I want to see that thing so bad.
Maybe we should take that vacuum line off and we'll get a new one so we know the size. Yeah, you get those strong Mexican fingers.
Strong Japanese hands. I mean,
Yeah. Your tools you bought here in Japan? Man, we should maybe get a voltage
what does
tester.
this logo mean?
It means Skyline.
Oh, really?
Yeah, S. And then this one's different. This is Sylvia. Sylvia badge. Skyline badge.
I don't know anything about Nissan.
No, you're a Toyota guy, huh? Oh, that's what I was gonna look at. Does this have the 4-wheel steering?
Oh yeah, go ahead.
Hikers.
I can do something.
Do something. Cool. I actually wanted the Hikers. People will complain about it, but I wanted it. Dude, that thing is huge. You can fist it.
Oh, it's not stop.
No, it's a Nissan sports muffler. Oh, dude, this has. Did you see the switch in there?
Yeah. Oh, it's a valve?
Yeah.
Oh, sick. Where's the fucking switch at? Okay, does it work?
Let's go get some oil. Wait, turn it back on. Odometer or anything's not lighting up.
No. It's on.
Radio's coming on.
Oh, there you go.
Why is the?
All the way?
Maybe it has to be all the way started for the odometer to turn on. Here's the sport button for the exhaust. Oh, lock and unlock works. There's the headlight adjuster.
Oh, it goes up and down?
The fog light switch. I need to get a new key. This one's taped up.
Dude, boy.
Hi.
We're back.
Hi. Hi. Oh. I know it looks trashy, but it's not a trash can. I think we're gonna reuse that metal gasket.
Are we?
I
Did
think
it come with
so.
one?
I don't think it came with a new one. I'll go check. Yeah, I have to reuse that gasket.
Okay.
Yeah, it should be a metal gasket. And then here's the plug. Oh, there are 2 bolts here.
Yeah.
New bolts.
Fancy ass Japanese pliers.
Dude, those are some fancy Japanese pliers. Yeah, careful, everything's brittle.
Yeah. Oh, it's not too bad.
Oh yeah.
It actually looks really good. Easy day. This old Japanese shit. Like it owes you money, bitch.
This guy makes some funny noises. Let's see. Mitsubishi part?
What the fuck? Look at that.
Yeah, Mitsubishi makes a lot of parts for a lot of things. Let's compare it to the other one. I have to be careful with the stock turbo on this thing because too much flutter and stuff. These things are ceramic blades. They should be set up already pretty good, but let's see if you can tell a difference here.
It's a little stiffer.
Is it a little stiffer?
Try it.
About the same.
Think so? Oh, yeah, about the same. Just tighten this a little bit. Oh yeah, does that remind you of something? Does it remind you of something?
Oh yeah. Jeez, that's my nice new.
I meant to do that. Gotta lube it up.
Yeah, there we go.
Oh, in there.
Get in there.
Get in there! Oh shit.
I have a screwdriver in my pocket.
Let me see that shit.
Hold on, let me pull this screwdriver out of my pocket.
This guy got the smallest screwdriver I've ever seen in my life.
You want a flathead?
Yeah.
It's so tiny.
Give me that.
So
give me that.
cute.
I got time for this. What is this rubber ring for?
I don't know, so it doesn't hurt your fingers.
I thought it was ratcheting.
No, it's not ratcheting.
Oh, it is.
It was cheap, bro.
That's on there, ain't coming off. Let's put this. It's gonna be a pain in the ass. I already know.
Why?
I don't know. I just feel like it's gonna be a pain in the ass. Yeah, I know what I'm doing. I work here.
Do you?
I'm a lawyer.
You work here?
I'm
You're
a
a
lawyer.
lawyer. What do you mean
Yeah.
you're a lawyer?
I'm a lawyer.
You're a liar is what you are.
See, my fingers are good. Saw that?
No.
Tightened it. Good. It's in there now. It's in there now.
This Nissan R34's got a little Mexican in it now.
No. Don't bite me. I'll take this blow valve off right now. You mess with me, you mess with my country. I charge $100 an hour.
Do you?
Yeah, like
Not to me.
It took me 15 minutes. What do you expect? It's 15 bucks. Something had a huge exhaust.
Dude, your nose is so big. Turn sideways again. You look like a parrot. We out here eating some food.
Oh yeah, you can see me back there. Hey everybody. We're hungry.
You're hungry.
He was in a bad mood.
Pretty good. Egg salad sandwich. And it comes with some kind of chicken sandwich. Being a fat kid. Our sweet ride. We're at the yard with all the cars. This fool.
Having a good time.
We got the wheels. Two of them so far. We gotta get the other two.
We didn't make it. We didn't make it to get four.
We didn't make it very far. We're hungry.
We got two and we're like, lunch break.
Lunch break. These are pretty good. Vitamin C. These are my favorite. I get these every time I come to Japan. They're so good. We just ate so much food.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh.
Let's close this up. Load up those other two wheels and
Let's go.
find a tire shop.
Yeah, we're gonna have to go find one. Cause
Castro. See, it puts the motorcycle a little bit cheaper in a smaller can.
look at this man, finally doing something. Come into the poor boy. Look at that.
Oh, I made a
messed it out of
mess.
that. Why is that so running? 34 over there. Didn't start.
Oh,
It scared me. Oh, it lost. It has to
scared
be.
me too.
Do you feel like you just made $100 an hour by pouring some oil in your R34? Because you haven't done anything this trip, let me tell you. OEM triangular light is waiting to be
Factory arrow.
flashing light with one of those relays.
Yeah.
It's gonna be sick.
Nissan.
Yes. Whoever takes these off, send them my way.
They're dumbasses. Hold on. Don't record this.
Oh, don't look at it.
Cut it out.
Okay. And he's done.
It's gonna come out.
Oh, what's gonna come out? It's just really cold out here.
It's all hot.
Damn, look at this.
11 point.
9 points.
Well, it's because it's got to go through the system. All right. Oh, 14 is charging. Let's see if the exhaust is quieter right now. Let's see if it gets louder.
Doesn't work. Yeah, it's definitely because it's
What does it
sideways.
say?
I have no idea what that is.
Usually yes was on this side, right?
I got a tree.
He said that they actually pump the gas out of the tanks. The dealers do to try to keep the gas. The dealerships before they put them into the auction.
That's crazy. So it doesn't matter if it has full tank or not.
Yeah, they'll suck it out and keep it. Oh, no, it's working now.
You just needed a battery.
We didn't have enough voltage. Yeah. Oh, we have a voltage meter right here. $5,000 Nismo cluster. So sick. That's good.
That was, I installed that shit, y'all, just letting you know.
Dude. RB, Skyline.
I still like Jay-Z's better. Oh yeah, look at me doing the work again.
I'm just gonna hold it. Advan GT.
Next time y'all see this, we're gonna have tires, hopefully. They better, yeah.
Also, you gotta fit in my luggage.
Yeah, we gotta figure that out. That's gonna be our carry-on, our personal item.